Hey, so what I'm doing here is organizing the toolbox. So I had, when you put your tools down, you usually use some sort of sorters or something. I had these mats, and they would crinkle up, and the tools would go underneath them, and they worked okay. And if you just put the tools in the metal bottom, it slides all around. So what I'm doing is I'm using a bed liner, just a truck bed liner in here, and coating the bottom of the drawers. And I did this probably a year or so ago on several of my drawers here. And for the most part, it creates kind of a little bit of a grippy surface, nice finish, and it worked real well for organizing some of my tools and stuff. The drawers look real nice, and the mat, I would always lose things under the mat, so I'll do kind of an after shot. But there's bed liner in all these drawers, and it works way better than the sorters. I got the bed liner on sale, so it was relatively cheap, and I'm just lining all these drawers. So good organization kind of deal.